Good morning. I just got back from my morning run. Pardon my red Irish face here. I was just reminded how grateful I am not to have incontinence and being able to run without worrying about that. And it makes me sad that so many women deal with incontinence because it is totally preventable. It is not normal. It doesn't matter how many kids you have had. Many women who have never had a child have incontinence, and it is not normal. It's totally fixable. All it means is that your respiratory diaphragm and the diaphragm of your pelvic floor muscles are not working synergistically to manage intra-abdominal pressure and the organs of your pelvic floor. Many women are also constipated, or they're constipated first and then they become incontinent later. That's just because of how the pelvic floor will change over time if it's malaligned and not balanced with the diaphragm. So let's go over a quick and easy exercise to change that. Grab a balloon and a ball. You're going to lay on the floor with your feet up on the wall. Your feet are going to be just slightly further apart than your hips, ball between the knees. Right arm up overhead. I think the pillow is helpful, especially when you're starting out, to help you anchor your diaphragm down. Okay, we're going to take a breath in. We're going to do this 4 times. You can see what I'm doing there is that as I exhale, I'm raising up my pelvic floor. My hamstrings are in charge of that. As I inhale, I lower down. This gives my pelvic floor, my diaphragm, a chance to learn how to manage pressure as I exhale, manage eccentric contraction as I inhale. So you can see that we're creating this pump again, which is what the pelvic floor and the respiratory diaphragm should be doing. So give that a try. I hope that helps. If it doesn't, please seek help. It's totally preventable and curable, and you don't need to live like that. All the best.